Hey guys, I just found free trade copier for Ninjatrader. I'm about to show you how to do it and about to test some things, make sure it all works. I'm gonna post a link right here on my YouTube channel, free. I'm gonna show you how to connect it to Ninjatrader and your accounts. Go get it. If you like this kind of thing, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be posting some videos. I've got a couple Apex accounts. I'm gonna try to journal that journey, a journey on to consistency and profitability. So please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. All right, here is the copier. It's an Ninjatrader ecosystem. It's called Simple Trade Copier. Download it and tells you how to do it right here. This is exactly what I did. So I just clicked download to my download folder, saved it to my desktop down here. Saved it to my desktop, and then from there you go to the Ninja Control Center. You go to Tools. Show you. Hold on. All right. You go to Tools. You go to Import Ninja Script Add-on. I'm gonna ask you a couple questions. So click OK. Okay. And then it's an indicators. You go in your indicators. It's gonna show up right here. Click it. I already got my 2 demo accounts on it, but I'm gonna show you exactly how. You're gonna add it, and you want your lead account to be where it says copy from this account. I've got my first demo account right here, and now I've got my second one right here. Apply, hit OK, and you only want to do your trading in your main account. Don't mess with your other accounts. I'm also going to pull up my Tradingview to show that it's synced up with it as well. So, and it pops up down here. So if we want to copy a trade, we're going to turn this on, copy it on. Got chart trader on both of them. So let's get them one.
Order filled.
Okay, so it only put my orders on my main account, but it's got it right here on my second account. All right, now let's get in. Let's see if the stop works. It's important. Don't run away from us. But we're going to see if our stop works. We want to watch our second account on this right side. The right side is my second account. Make sure it stops out as well. I'm not exactly sure why P&L is not the same, but okay. Maybe we'll get stopped out. Testing out to take profit. But all right.
Order filled.
All right, and it stopped me out of both of them. Stop work. Let's get in again.
Order filled.
Obviously, the take profit should work if I get. All right, now while that's working, let me see. I'm gonna go to Tradingview, and of course I'm not logged in. Oh, there it is. And here it is on my Tradingview. Got my main account logged in, and see if I can pull up my main account right here. So every time I move my stop, it moved it on Tradingview, and it updated it on Tradingview. So that's cool. So they're all synced together. Anyway, I'm gonna post this in the description of the video, and if you have any questions, just comment. Feel free to ask. No question is a dumb questions. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe.